Here at Contra Costa Powersports, we have a 2006 Suzuki Hayabusa. This is the 1300cc, 186 mile per hour beast that Suzuki makes. This one's got a ton of really cool add-ons on it. I'll go through in just a moment. The bike has 12,300 miles and is offered for $69.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. Starting in the back, it's been lowered a little bit for those that are a little vertically challenged, a little lower to the ground there. Also has a fender eliminator kit on it, got rid of the rear fender. Has chrome front and rear wheels, chrome rear foot peg holders, chrome grab bar. Pretty much all the add-ons are chrome. Chrome sliders, chrome windscreen, chrome bar ends, levers, mirrors. Again, up here the front wheel's been chrome. There's probably about $2,000 to $3,000 worth of chrome on this bike. Just amazing. The bike's been gone through by our service department, oil change, been given a clean bill of health, and it's all dialed in and ready to go. Also, even the chain guard. This is pretty cool. Chain guard down here. The rear foot pegs are chrome, so just a lot of neat features on it. Also has chrome passenger pegs on it that are, rider pegs right there. Again, $69.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. We can provide financing as well as an extended warranty. Check us out on the web at contracostaps.com, where at any given time we'll have 35 to 40 quality pre-owned bikes just like this one.